Gardening's real magic isn't in the plants. It's in the living soil beneath our feet. Soil is a vibrant community, not just dirt. When you nurture it, the transformation is fast and visible. The best sign? Earthworms. They arrive when the soil is truly alive. Many think you need to add worms or berry scraps, but worms come for the thriving microbial life, not leftovers. Microbes break down organic matter, creating a feast that draws earthworms in. Your job is to feed the microbes, not force the worms. When you provide the right food, microbes multiply and worms follow. This approach is more effective than digging or hoping for luck. You're building the conditions for life, not just adding ingredients. In days, you'll see darker, crumbly soil and soon after, earthworms. The secret is simple: feed the soil's biology. This sparks a natural cycle: better structure, moisture and fertility. Earthworms are proof your soil is alive and thriving. It's a partnership that starts with feeding life below the surface. That's the foundation of a glorious garden. How do you invite microbes to your soil? Brew compost tea. Compost tea is a living liquid, packed with beneficial organisms. All you need? A bucket, water, compost or worm castings, and unsulfured molasses. Compost provides the microbes, molasses feeds them. Add compost to a bucket, use a bag for less mess, fill with rainwater, and stir in molasses. Stir well to dissolve and aerate. Let it sit for 24 to 48 hours, stirring occasionally. When it smells sweet and earthy, it's ready. Strain if needed, dilute until it's the colour of weak tea. Pour it over your soil. No digging required. This delivers life directly to your garden. Use it on beds, pots or lawns. You're watering with life itself. Compost tea sparks an underground revolution. Billions of microbes spread, fueled by molasses multiplying fast. They break down organic matter, releasing nutrients for plants. Fungi send out threads, binding soil into crumbly, fertile structure. This activity creates air pockets and channels for water. Earthworms are drawn to this microbial feast. As they tunnel, they aerate soil and leave behind nutrient-rich castings. Worms become partners in building healthy soil. Digging and burying scraps disrupts this process, harming soil life. Anaerobic pockets from buried waste can hurt plants. Compost tea encourages a thriving, balanced ecosystem. Pouring on life is always better than burying waste. Let nature do the work. Compost tea isn't just for big gardens. It's perfect for pots and raised beds. In containers, nutrients wash out quickly. Compost tea replenishes life and nutrients. Water pots with diluted tea every few weeks for healthier, more resilient plants. In no-dig raised beds, compost tea accelerates mulch breakdown, feeding the soil from above. Worms pull nutrients down, enriching the bed. Over time, earthworms become a self-sustaining workforce, aerating and fertilizing soil. Their tunnels improve water retention and root growth. Worm castings provide steady, natural nutrition. Keep the cycle going, always cover soil with organic mulch. Mulch protects and feeds microbes and worms. Each year, top up mulch and occasionally apply compost tea. You're not just maintaining soil, you're building it richer and deeper. This is long-term soil health in action. Healthy soil means healthy, resilient plants. Nurture life underground and your garden thrives, no chemicals needed. This approach brings better harvests, flavour and nutrition. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, it builds lasting fertility. Soil structure, water retention, and beneficial life all improve. You're investing in a garden that gives back year after year. Skip the quick fixes. Nature's processes are the real solution. Biology isn't a trend. It's how fertile soils have always formed. Align your gardening with nature's system for the best results. Put down the spade, pick up the watering can, and feed your soil. Brew compost tea, be patient, and watch for earthworms. When they appear, you know you're on the right path. You're not just a gardener, you're a steward of living earth.